I got an awesome new item for you today. This is the Cuktech Power Bank. This is a 10,000 milliamp hour power bank. You can use this to charge many different devices. Let's see what's all included. It comes with a power cord, USB Type-C. It comes really well packaged. I really like the outside of this box. It's very nice. It also comes with some instructions. And then you got your power bank. Very nice. And it's light. It's really lightweight too. This is a 150 watt power bank. The USB Type A charger charges at 30 watts. And the USB Type C charger charges at 120 watts. This power bank charges really fast. It's got a very nice screen on the front and it also displays the charge on the unit. Let's take a closer look. I really enjoyed using this power bank. My favorite feature is the large power button on the front and the TFT display screen. It lets me know how much time is remaining on charging and recharging the device. This is perfect for anybody on the go.